more chairs that we need to have to assemble. You need the A and F. What's it? I'm scared to yung ano lang, so there's screw. You're going to put it in the hole. Okay na naman. Where are you, loves? Still working? You almost done? Okay. No clothes. Oh, you're not yet? Not yet.
No, and there's extra tools so you can help.
Extra tools?
Yeah, see, look how they give you extra tools.
Oh, wow.
So you can help.
Huh? Why I need to help?
Why not?
You only
Why
done
wouldn't you want to
two?
help? Huh?
Yeah.
2,000 and stuff inside. You want to make sure that you're keeping the seams lined up on the corners, right? See this? See how
Oh, yeah.
okay. It's supposed to look like this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's straight. That one is slant.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
That's
But
not good.
I'm hoping we can just tighten it and maybe bend it or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's wet, loves. Huh?
Line it up so it's nice and kind of even. Right.
That's right.
So we get this one started.
Finish. Yeah. Oh, wow.
You want to hand me the next one, baby?
Come here. Is that on?
What's your phone?
Fixing a broken heart. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I'm coming out, loves. Wait a minute. God. What is that? Stone?
It's glass. Glass stone.
Wait, it's hot.
Yeah, of course.
It's warm.
Yeah. And we can remove the glass if you want, but I kind of like it.
Yeah, it's not
Not
gonna
the
be
blue
break.
stuff, the glass that's there.
It's not gonna be break.
No, I need to clean it.
So shallow. Love it. Gwapo ng date ko. We can have a date here, love.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the idea is to have a nice area that we can have